Waterworks by Stephanie. All water goes through a continuous cycle. That's why I'm gonna tell you about the water cycle. When the sun heats the Earth's surface, evapotranspiration takes place. This is a process of water heating up and becoming a gas known as water vapor. Vapor is released through transpiration in plants and evaporation from collection of water. As more and more water condenses, the water molecules become heavy and begin to precipitate or fall back to Earth. This can come in forms of rain, sleet, hail, and snow depending on the temperature. Once a form of precipitation falls, water collects. It will collect in rivers, lakes, and oceans. It can also collect underground in aquifers and also in solid states in ice caps and glaciers. Water is a precious and life-sustaining resource. Less than 1% of water is usable and accessible for humans to drink. Even though water is fresh, it must still undergo a journey that eventually leads to your home. People pollute water in lots of ways. Farmers pollute water by spraying pesticides on plants. Why do farmers spray pesticides on crops and plants? It is because farmers don't want insects to eat their crops and plants. Even though it's good for plants and crops, it's not good for water, because when the rain comes, the pesticides washes away in the water, and then the fish are going to breathe the pesticide, and then they're gonna die. The next way people pollute water is by factories. Factories pollute water by warm water and toxicants. If you want water to be clean, then stop polluting! How can people protect and conserve water? People can protect and conserve water in lots of ways, but people just don't. If farmers would just stop using pesticides, fish wouldn't die. And if factories stop dumping their toxic into the water, surfers could surf without seeing any dead fish in the water. If you want the water to have a brighter future, then stop polluting! Woohoo!